on YouTube, there is a video that is called The Sounds of Hell. I watched it a while back, and what the video shows is a pastor who's just talking about the scientist who went to Saudi Arabia, and they were like drilling, and the drill spun violently and out of control. They say that the drill drilled so far into the earth that it literally drilled its way to hell. But the scientists didn't know it at first. Because what they did was they sent down a microphone, and they heard like all this screaming and yelling and moaning and aching and stuff, like a whole stadium full of people, and agony and this pain and stuff. I do believe that the video is real. I do believe that they really did drill their way to hell. A friend of mine told me that the scientists got a pastor to come down and bless the hole, and when he did, he was dead. So yeah, I do believe it's real, that video. I know you probably think that I'm crazy saying this, but I do advise that y'all take a look at that video, because you do need to see what's down there. You do need to wake up. I mean, it doesn't matter if you go to church or not. If you read the Bible dozens of times and happen to be very strong and very religious, this does prove that hell is real, along with bad spirits and stuff. So yeah. You might want to take a look at it and not be so skeptical, because personally, I think that that's the worst thing you can do, is be so skeptical to the truth. The first few times I listened to it, I was so badly horrified that I had to talk to the missionaries about it. They didn't believe it, but I did. And to this day, I still believe that that video is real. And hell is real. And you do need to get that wake-up call that you need.